So yesterday we tried out depositing money into Yellowcard using mobile money, and I said that I was going to make a video once the transaction works out or not. So today I've got an update, and here is the update on what happened, if the method really worked or not. So what do you think? Well, here's the result. So it was yesterday around 15 hours. That was when I actually deposited in the money. So you can follow along this video over here. I used the Airtel Money app to deposit money into Yellowcard. Yeah, and I mentioned that I was going to make another video once that works out or not. And the good news is that the method actually worked, even if there were some wrong things we did. Okay, so how long did it take for money to reflect in the Yellowcard app? Well, I'm not sure to be exact on how long the money took to reflect, okay, in the account, but from 15 I only checked in my account around 24, somewhere there, and when I checked my Yellowcard account around 24 hours, I actually found that the money has reflected. Yeah, I know you might be asking, like, why can't I just check the date when the money was deposited into Yellowcard to know how long it takes exactly? Well, here's the tricky part. So the tricky part about Yellowcard, for example, if I go to the balance and I go to transaction history and I look for the deposit transaction, okay, what's happening here is that there's a date and time when this deposit was added, but the bad part is that here the date is, they are not showing the time when they credited my account. They're actually showing the date when I actually sent the money into the Yellowcard bank account. So it's hard to know exactly what time, okay, they credited my account, because I did not get any notification that my account has been deposited with 100 kwacha. So I'm not really sure how long it took, but what we can say is that it took less than a day for money to reflect, and that's a good thing. But the funny part is that even if the deposit took just a few hours to reflect in the account, when it comes to withdrawals on Yellowcard, it actually takes longer. Okay, so I made a withdrawal some time back ago, I think last week. Okay, I had to wait for like 3 days for the withdrawal to reach me. So I think Yellowcard is prioritizing deposits than withdrawals, but I wish it was the other way around. Okay, and some of you have been asking me, like, is Yellowcard legit? How can you make money with Yellowcard? Well, one thing you should know is that Yellowcard is not an investment website. Okay, yeah, Yellowcard is not a money making app or website. So in case you have been misinformed, well, now you know the truth. Okay, so what is Yellowcard then? Yellowcard is a crypto exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. As of now, you can only buy and sell USDT and Bitcoin. Okay, but why Yellowcard? Why not other crypto exchanges? Well, there are a lot of crypto exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase. Okay, for example, over here, this is Binance. Okay, I know it might look very complex and not really good for beginners. Well, it's one of the apps that I myself actually do use sometimes. Okay, it's very complex, but once more again, why Yellowcard? Well, when it comes to Yellowcard is straightforward. The platform is easy to use, it's easy to buy, it's easy to sell. And when it comes to Yellowcard even allows you to deposit by sending money to the Zambian bank account. And in the previous video I showed you how you can use mobile money. But when it comes to these other exchanges, they can't allow you to use mobile money, you can't send to a bank account, no. Okay, and when it comes to Yellowcard even, okay, allows you to withdraw money using mobile money. These other big exchanges can't even allow you to do that. So this is why Yellowcard is trending in Zambia, because I think it's perfect for Zambians, because it's easy to use. Okay, it's easy to put in money, it's easy to get in money, although it takes time. Yeah, so now you've got your answer. Now the question is Yellowcard legit? Okay, so I've made countless videos on how to know or check if a website, a platform is legit, so you might want to watch those videos. So those videos are on this channel. Okay, don't contact me asking for links, like, don't be lazy, simply go through my channel, look for the video, you find it, than having to contact me asking for a direct link. That shows how lazy you are in your researching. So as I mentioned earlier on, I stopped posting these get rich quick schemes or reviewing them and stuff like that. So this yellow card is not a get rich quick scheme. So in case you're wondering, like, how can you actually make money with yellow card? So I think for you to make money with yellow card, how can you make money with yellow card? Well, you can make money with yellow card just as you can make money with any other exchange out there. Okay, so the function of yellow card is simply to help you buy and sell crypto. So for you to make money, okay, I think there are two ways you can make money. So the first way is you can actually buy this crypto and you can sell to people at your own rate and you can get to make money. Okay, I think that's the first way you can make money. The other way you can actually make money is, for example, if you buy Bitcoin today and you hold it maybe for a year or for 2 years, and maybe if Bitcoin gets to gain some value, yeah, you can earn some money. But if Bitcoin, like maybe after 2 years or a year, the price decides to go down, well, you make a loss. So yeah, I think that's the only way you can actually get to make money when you're buying and selling currencies. But if you're planning on buying USDT is a stable coin. So this means that one USDT will always be equal to $1. So if you buy $10 of USDT today, even after 10 years, okay, 10 USDT is going to be $10. But if you buy Bitcoin today, maybe for $1,000, okay, after 10 years, okay, it's true, it might be a lot of money or it might be less, who knows. So yeah, that's it about cryptocurrencies. So I think, but for now, I think this is the last video for, I've talked a lot about Yellowcard. So I think this is the last video about Yellowcard. From now on, I'll get on to other important stuff. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel. More awesome stuff are still coming. Bye for now. This is Keith Lorenz.